Hello everyone, good morning everybody, how are you? Hope all the students of class 3 they are very safe, fine and enjoying the winter season. Right, so dear students, move on and we will discuss about the studies because the studies plays a very important role in our life. Right, so we will discuss about the studies, right? So we already started chapter number 10, weather and season, and I am hoping that you have seen the three lectures of this chapter, and this is this is lecture number, part number 4, right? Okay, so in the last lecture I gave you a little explanation about water vapor process, right? Your upcoming lecture, dear students, your upcoming chapter that is related with the water, and in that chapter I will give a very big and nice explanation about the entire process of water cycle. Right, so now we will discuss about chapter number 10, weather and seasons. So I already spoke about the atmosphere, I already explained about the temperature, I already explained about the about the clouds, I already explained about the winds. Winds have two types. When wind will blow gently, it's called breeze, but when wind will move wind will move in a very strong mood, that time we cannot say that is this is the breeze, that time we can say that is the storm, tufan, and a storm we can call it cyclone and typhoons also. Right, then I told you that when the summer season will go on, that time the wind will very dry and hot, that's why we call that wind loo. Right, when the winter season, during winter season the wind is very cool. Why it is happening? Because during winter season on the mountain, on the hill areas, there is a snowfall, or because of the snowfall the air became very cool, हवाएं ठंडी हो जाती हैं, and that air will come from hilly area, from mountain area to ground area, और पहाड़ी इलाकों से मैदानी इलाकों पे जो हवाएं आती हैं वो हवाएं ठंडी हो जाती हैं बर्फबारी के कारण, स्नोफॉल के कारण. इसलिए ड्यूरिंग विंटर सीजन cold breeze are blowing, cold breeze, right? And when we will talk about the rainy season mein we can see clouds. When rain will come na, during rainy season actually the lots of clouds are there, and clouds are very heavy, they are carrying the water inside it, and they are very heavy. Because of their heaviness the rain they will burst and rain will come. So during rainy season the wind is actually little cool and it's carry moisture, है ना? That is the reason during summer season our clothes will not dry up easily. कपड़े जल्दी नहीं सूखते हैं बारिश में, और because the reason that moisture means we can call it moisture. Moisture को we can call it in Hindi nami, right? So this is the reason that when the rainy season is there, that time the moisture is everywhere. When you will take out the actually namkeen, है ना? So if you will get it open for 5 or 10 minutes, that namkeen will absorb the मॉइस्चर फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर। ऐसा होता है ना। सपोज मैं हिंदी में आपको एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि सपोज मम्मा गेव यू अ पैकेट ऑफ बिस्किट, है ना। अब यूजुअली मम्मी क्या बोलती है, मम्मी बोलती है कि नहीं बेटा इसमें मॉइस्चर लग जाएगा, या तो आप इस पैकेट को पूरा ख़त्म कर दो या फिर किसी टाइट डिब्बे में इसको बंद करके रखना, नहीं तो इसमें मॉइस्चर लग जाएगा, इसमें नमी लग जाएगी या इसमें सीलन आ जाएगी। दीज वर्ड्स मम्मा यूज्ड, है ना। सो जो मॉइस्चर है, जो नमी है, जो सीलन है, वाई इज इट सो? दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ रेन, बिकॉज ऑफ wind, because that time wind carry the moisture with them, that's why it is happening and that is the moisture, है ना। एक एग्जांपल और देती हूँ मैं आपको कि मम्मी ने, मान लीजिए आपको पापड़ खाने का मन है, आपको चिप्स खाने का मन है, ठीक है, तो आपकी मम्मी ने आपके लिए पापड़ या चिप्स तल दिए हैं, लेकिन वो थोड़ी देर में कैसे हो जाते हैं, वो अजीब से हो जाते हैं, गीले हो जाते हैं। अगर आप उसको टाइट डब्बे में, एयर टाइट डब्बे में बंद करके नहीं रखेंगे तो वो बहुत अजीब से हो जाते हैं, नरम पड़ जाते हैं, फिर आप वो कुर्रम कुर्रम नहीं रहते हैं। सो ऐसा क्यों होता है बेटा? ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ मॉइस्चर के कारण होता है, नमी की वजह से होता है, ठीक है, जो कि वेदर में होती है उस समय, जो कि एटमॉस्फेयर में होती है, राइट। सो in the last lecture I discussed about all these things, I discussed about rain also, है ना। और रेन में भी I told you about the drought condition and about the flood condition. So जब रेनी सीजन होता है तब दो स्थिति होती हैं, या तो बारिश होती है, और अगर बारिश होती है तो अच्छी बारिश होना ज़रूरी है, और अगर कम बारिश होती है तो सूखा पड़ता है, और सूखा पड़ता है तो अकाल होता है, पानी की कमी होती है, जिसकी वजह से इंसान और सारे जानवर और प्लांट्स सरवाइव नहीं कर पाते ड्यू टू लेक ऑफ वाटर, राइट। और एक कंडीशन होती है फ्लड की। सो ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन्स ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स, they can face the 3 types of condition actually. First one is drought condition, जहाँ सूखा पड़ जाता है, DROUGHT है, drought, सूखा पड़ जाता है। सेकेंड कंडीशन फ्लड, बाढ़ आ जाती है। बिकॉज ऑफ ड्रॉट human beings, animals and plants cannot survive, and because of flood can destroyed everything, destroyed, बाढ़ में पूरा नाश हो जाता है, सब विनाश हो जाता है। flood also cause the lots of destroyness, पूरा खराब हो जाता है, पूरा बर्बाद हो जाता है, right? Then I told you that when we will meet in the next lecture, we will discuss about the weather and the forecast. So today we will discuss about weather and forecast. Weather and forecast. So I am hoping that you can understand. Weather means मौसम and forecast means मौसम की पहले से जो अनुमान लगाते हैं वैज्ञानिक लोग, वेदर रिपोर्ट की, that is called forecast. That is called forecast. So whatever is written in the book, first I will read, then I will step by step I will explain, right? So I am hoping that everybody has the book. When you will watch this video, everybody has the book in the hand, and keep a small pencil in your hand, right? So let's read with me. Advanced information about the weather is called weather forecast. So this line is very precious to you. Make it underline. The advance information about the weather. This word advance you have heard so many times. Advance means the पहले से, पूर्व में, पहले से जानकारी होना. Sometimes we all are wishing to our friends, to our relatives in advance birthday. Sometimes we all are wishing to our friends in a happy birthday in advance. We are telling like that, na? Happy birthday in advance, happy Diwali in advance, happy Holi in advance, happy New Year in advance. So maximum times we all are wishing to our relatives, to our friends in advance. So this word advance, advance means पहले से, समय के पहले. Right? So advance information about the weather is called what? It's called forecast. Right? So advance information. Advance information. Advance information about what? About weather. About weather. It's called what? It's called weather forecast. It's called weather forecast. Weather forecast. Weather means what? Advanced information about weather. It's called weather forecast. पहले से, पूर्व में, सूचना. Information means सूचना देना. About किसके बारे में? Weather के बारे में. It's called weather forecast. Right? So this is the definition of the weather forecast, beta. The advanced information about weather, it's called weather forecast. Right? Okay. Understand this much thing? Hope you understand better because you all are very smart and intelligent. Now move on and I am going to read the line number 2. Newspaper, radio and television are the sources of providing us information about the weather. So what are the sources? Once again I will repeat the line. Newspaper, radio and television are the sources of providing us information about weather. So what are the sources to provide the weather forecast? What are the sources to provide the weather forecast? What are the sources? So the sources are news. The sources of first to the sources of newspaper. Newspapers. All the information is given in the newspaper also. Then the radio. Right? And then the television. And then the television. Right, so these are the sources. These are what? These are the sources. Sources means in Hindi we can call it madhyam. Sources means in Hindi we can call it madhyam. So what are the sources to provide the weather forecast? So the sources are newspaper, radio and television. See, when we will talk about the newspaper, so I am hoping that everybody have the newspaper at home, and some parents and some people are very aware about the newspaper. So they have one, two newspapers at their homes. Maximum numbers of parents have the habit to read the newspaper in the morning. All the papas, all the dadas, all the chachu and these types of people, they always read the newspaper in the morning with a cup of tea. Maximum numbers of people have this type of habits. All the students have seen their father to read the newspaper in the morning. If they don't have the time in the morning, then or noon time or evening time or night time, but fathers always read the newspaper. And then you will think, you can say to me कि मैम हमारे घर में तो रेडियो नहीं है, फिर यहाँ पर रेडियो का ऑप्शन क्यों दिया है? Nowadays तो nobody is listening the radios. Yes, we all are listening the radios in our vehicle, especially in the car, but we all are not actually listening the news, what news is broadcasting on the radio. We all are listening the music in the radio, like Radio Mirchi and all, na? We all have in our cars Radio Mirchi. So, but this radio is also very precious, beta. Why is it so? Because आज भी जो हमारा देश है, इसमें जितने भी गांव हैं, जितने भी villages हैं, maximum numbers of people, those who are living in the village areas, they always listen the radio. They habitual of the radio, because anyhow how they are not very much facilitated with the newspaper, because आज भी बहुत सारे गांव ऐसे हैं जहां पर न्यूज़पेपर काफ़ी लेट पहुंचता है, 10 बजे, 11 बजे, 12 बजे ऐसे पहुंचता है. वाई? बिकॉज वो बस से या जीप से या टैक्सी से आता जाता है गांव में. राइट? हॉकर्स आर नॉट providing the newspaper to the villagers. Hawkers are not providing the newspaper to the villages, but newspapers will definitely come in the villages also, but they will come in the bus. जो भी उनके गांव में जो बस आती है या जो उनके गांव में लोकल टैक्सी चलती है, उस लोकल टैक्सी या उसमें न्यूज़पेपर्स कुछ आते हैं और फिर वो लोगों के घर में जाते हैं. So it will take time. This process will take time. But in the cities, hawkers provide us the newspaper in the early in the morning. They are very disciplined. Hawkers are very disciplined and they are very punctual. Very punctual. Whatever season is there, whatever festival is there, if it is the heavy rainfall, then only you will have newspaper at your home. कितनी भी ठंड पड़े, कितनी भी ठंडी हवाएं चले, hawkers are very disciplined. They are amazing people. They always give you, they always provide you the newspaper at the right time in the early morning. So, newspaper, radio, and radio. I told you that people, those who are living in villages, all the villages, they habitual to listen the radios, especially they are listening the news, so they can come to know about the weather forecast. Then the television, maximum numbers of the people have the television at the homes. Here I am not talking about the city people, I am not talking about the people, those who are living cities, those who are living metropolitan cities, big town. आजकल तो number of villages have the television at their home, and these facilities became more easy because of these Tata Sky and DD National and these types of chhatris. So everybody has the maximum numbers of the villages. I can't tell you everybody, पर आज भी गांव में टेलीविज़न की पहुंच हो चुकी है बेटा. ऐसा नहीं है कि गांव में टीवी नहीं है, गांव में टीवी होने लगा है और गांव में रहने वाले लोग अब स्मार्टफोन भी यूज़ करना सीख चुके हैं. राइट. सो न्यूज़पेपर, रेडियो एंड टेलीविज़न. नाउ हियर आई कैन इंक्लूड वन मोर थिंग, दैट इज smartphone. This is not written in your book, but smartphone. Smartphone also became a very important part of everybody's life. Smartphones also used by the villages pupils. It is not only used by the cities pupils, but it is also used by the pupils those who are living in villages. Right. So smartphone mein to you can see everything. You can read the newspaper also, you can listen the radio also, you can see the television also, and you can get the all information about the weather forecast in smartphone also. है ना. Sometimes when we are, I will give you a small example. Sometimes when we are planning to go outside and weather is not good according to us, है ना, then what we will see? We will look the temperature of that particular place where we want to reach, where we want to go. So the smartphone have all the facilities nowadays. With the smartphone we can get all the information in advance about weather and weather forecast. Right. So this much you understand. This much I want to explain you, and I am hoping this much you can understand. Now I am moving on and I am going to read the line number 3, weather forecast. Right. So read with me. Weather forecasts are very useful to farmers, fishermen, pilot and navigators. So weather forecasts are very useful to whom? Weather forecast is very useful to whom? To farmer, to fisherman, and pilot, and navigators. So this line is written in the book. I wrote on the blackboard so I can explain it nicely. The weather forecast is very useful to farmer. Yes, it is correct written in the book. The weather forecast, मौसम की जानकारी, पूर्व में पहले से ही मौसम की जानकारी. This is very useful to a farmer. So farmer can protect their crop. Understand? I will give an example to you that suppose the wheat crop is ready to cut, है ना. The wheat crop is ready to cut. गेहूं की फसल कटने के लिए तैयार है. And the farmer starts cutting the crop of wheat. Right? Then what they will do? They cannot take all the crops to his house, है ना. फार्मर ने जो गेहूं की फसल काटी है, जो उसकी गेहूं की पूरी फसल पककर तैयार हो गई है, उस फसल को उसने काटा है, लेकिन काटने के बाद क्या करेगा फार्मर? What farmer will do after cutting the wheat crop? So farmer cannot take the entire crop at his house. वो सारी की सारी फसल अपने घर लेकर नहीं जा सकता है. That's why after cutting the wheat crop, he will make the small bunches of the crops in his field. Understand? He make the small bunches of the crops in his field. Then if he has the advanced information about the weather, then he can protect his crop. Suppose a farmer cut the wheat crop and he collect that entire crop in the field only, and unfortunately suddenly rain starts coming and heavy rainfall starts coming. Then what will happen? The entire wheat crops will collapse. The entire wheat crop will destroyed. Then what will happen? The hard work of the farmer is going to be waste. किसान ने इतनी मेहनत करके जो फसल उगाई है, दिन रात जागकर उस फसल की देखभाल करी है, और अगर वो फसल कटने के बाद खराब होती है, इट मीन्स व्हाट? इट मीन्स अ फार्मर लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग. सो but if he has the advanced information about the weather forecast, he can save his crop. अगर उसके पास पहले से ही एडवांस में इंफॉर्मेशन होगी कि आज बारिश होने वाली है, तो वो अपनी फसल को किसी भी तरह के प्रिकॉशंस लेकर बचा पाएगा, उसकी फसल पूरी खराब नहीं होगी. Right, so the weather forecast is very useful to a farmer. अब समझ में आया फार्मर के लिए क्यों यूजफुल है? Now we will discuss why is it very useful to a fisherman. Why is it so? So fishermen, who are the fishermen? When we read about the occupation of India, then we read about the fishermen also. Fishing is also a occupation which is adopted by the villages people, and people those who are living coastal areas, actually they all have the we call them the fishermen. वो मछली पकड़ने का काम करते हैं. That is the main occupations of the people those who are living in coastal areas. Right, so fishermen also benefit by the advanced information about the broadcast. How it can be possible, I will tell you. I will give you a small example in Hindi. Suppose fishermen जो होते हैं बेटा, वो या तो नदियों में मछली पकड़ते हैं या समुद्र में पकड़ते हैं. ठीक है, अगर नदियों में मछली पकड़ते हैं तो ज़्यादा चिंता की बात नहीं है, लेकिन अगर समुद्री इलाकों में वो मछलियाँ पकड़ने के लिए समुद्र में जाते हैं, तो दिस एडवांस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द वेदर फोरकास्ट इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर देम. इट्स वेरी यूजफुल फॉर अ फिशरमैन. अगर उनके पास पहले से ही इंफॉर्मेशन होगी तो उस दिन वो समुद्र में नहीं जाएंगे, क्योंकि समुद्र में गए और तूफान आ गया या बहुत बारिश हो गई तो डेफिनेटली दे विल लॉस देयर लाइफ. Nobody can survive, nobody can save their life actually. Nobody can. That is the reason if the fishermen have the advanced information about the weather forecast, he can save his life. Not only his life, but he can save the others' lives also. राइट, आपने भी न्यूज़ में बहुत बार सुना होगा कि जब भी तूफान आने वाला होता है, स्ट्रोम आने वाला होता है, साइक्लोन आने वाला होता है, तो समुद्र के आसपास का जितना भी इलाका होता है वो सारा का सारा एरिया गवर्नमेंट खाली करवा लेती है. वो सिर्फ इसलिए खाली करवाती है क्योंकि समुद्री इलाकों में रहने वाले लोगों को जब समुद्र में बहुत ऊंची ऊंची लहरें आएंगी तो they can lost their life. That is the reason the advanced information about the weather cost is very useful, not only to farmer but it is also useful to a fisherman also. Now pilots, we will discuss about pilot also. Pilot what? Driver, bus driver drive the bus, right? Railway driver drives train. As like them, pilots fly the aeroplane. So if he has the proper advanced information about the weather forecast, he will not take off his aeroplane. वो अपने एरोप्लेन को अगर मौसम साफ नहीं होगा तो अपने एरोप्लेन को वो उड़ाने में सफल नहीं होगा। और अगर वो उड़ा भी लेता है और मान लो रास्ते में कहीं वेदर खराब हो गया तो उसको इमीडिएटली किसी सेफ प्लेस पे अपने प्लेन को लैंड कराना पड़ता है, क्योंकि अगर मौसम खराब होगा तो एरोप्लेन जिस दिशा में जा रहा है वो अपनी दिशा से भटक सकता है, उससे दूर जा सकता है, एरोप्लेन क्रैश हो सकता है, बहुत सारे लोगों की जानें जा सकती हैं। इसलिए if the pilot have the advanced information about the weather forecast, he can save not only his life but he can save all the passengers' life also. So weather forecast is very useful not only for farmer, not only for fisherman, it is useful to a pilot also. And navigators means I will tell you, I am forgetting the meaning of navigator actually. I will tell you in the next lecture. Meteorologists are the people who study and tell us about the changes in the weather. So who are the people? They do the study about the weather. तो उनको मीटरोलॉजिस्ट बोलते हैं बेटा। क्या बोलते हैं उनको? METEOROLOGISTS, meteorologist. People, those who are studying about the changes in weather, we call them meteorologist, and Hindi we can call them मौसम वैज्ञानिक। जो वैज्ञानिक लोग मौसम की जानकारी रखते हैं, उनके बारे में स्टडीज़ करते हैं, उनके बारे में अगर कोई तूफान आने वाला है, कोई आंधी आने वाली है, तेज़ बारिश होने वाली है, कहीं बादल फटने वाले हैं, तो ये जो मीटरोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं ये एडवांस में इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं गवर्नमेंट को। और फिर जो गवर्नमेंट होती है, जो लोकल गवर्नमेंट होती है, वो अपने शहर के लोगों की जान और माल की हिफाजत के लिए ज़रूरी कदम उठा के उनको सेफ रखने का काम करती है। So the meteorologists are the people who studies all about the changes in weather only. Understand about the weather and the forecast. I am hoping that you all understand about the weather and the forecast. Okay, now I am moving on and I will discuss about the seasons. So seasons. So here we will discuss about what? Here we will discuss about Indian season. Indian season. Here we will discuss about Indian season, right? But I am hoping that I made the half an hour of video, and if I will make the big video, then may be possible you will lose your interest. So I am going to wind up my lecture today, but when we will meet in the next lecture, we will discuss about Indian season. We will discuss about Indian season. So we will discuss about summer season, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring season. See dear students, reading is not very much enough to you. सिर्फ किताबों को पढ़ लेने से ही ज्ञान नहीं हो जाता. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू इम्प्रूव योर नॉलेज, यू हैव टू स्टडी डीपली, यू हैव टू स्टडी हार्ड, यू हैव टू स्टडी डीपली, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इजीली ऑल दोज थिंग्स. बट if you will study ऊपर हवा में, so you will face trouble. So I always try to give my level best to make you understand better. I always take short concept in a day, because this is online classes, and if I will take more concept in the day, you will get confused, you will get bored. So that is the reason I always try to take only few concept or one or two concept in a day, right? So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all, and keep watching, keep giving me likes, and keep study hard, study deeply. So bye bye, have a nice day.